Today, I'm going to teach you how to add, change, and update roles and permissions on your Wix website. This is essential for managing who can access and edit different parts of your site, especially when you're working with a team. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to various site management options. From this drop-down, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to change or update roles and permissions on. It's important to verify you're working with the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From this editor interface, start by locating the Site Settings option, which you'll find on the top side menu of your Wix editor page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. From this drop-down menu, locate and click on Roles and Permissions. This action will redirect you to your Roles and Permissions page, which is the central hub for managing who has access to your site and what they can do. On this page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the collaborators and administrators you currently have set up for your Wix website. To change and update someone's role, simply locate their name in the list and click on the three-dot icon next to it. This will trigger a small window to appear with additional options. From this window, click on Change Role. You'll be redirected to the Change Role page, where you'll see a list of all the available roles you can assign to this particular user. These roles determine what level of access and editing capabilities each person has. Once you've carefully selected the appropriate role for this user, click on Save, which you'll find located on the top right part of your screen. This will finalize the changes you've made to their permissions, and that's it. You've successfully updated the roles and permissions for your Wix website, giving you better control over who can access and modify your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.